Oh yeah, I'm right back. I didn't try it. Uh, didn't try my combination carrot and celery juice. So I'm gonna pour it up here and get ready to have me a cup. So there it is. Cheers. My first cup of juice from my new Oster juicer, and the first step in my 28-day journey of juice and smoothie diet to clear out my system and make it work better and more absorptive, hopefully give me more energy and take care of some of these old problems, getting old. But anyway, I like it. Bowl full of carrots and 4 celery sticks, and makes a pretty good cup of juice. Cheers. Have a blessed day.